So, hi guys, welcome back to Code Explorer. Here I am Pavitra Banerjee with you, and today we will learn about the tags of HTMLs. Okay, and we will learn about some special tags of HTML. Okay, so let's start the video. So, uh, we have already discussed about how we can install our VS Code IDE in our system. So you can definitely check that video, and we have there written our first HTML code, and then we run our HTML code for the first time using live server VS Code extension. Okay, and we have already downloaded two more extensions like auto rename tag and auto closing tag. These two extensions are very useful for HTML when you are using VS Code. Okay, so our today's topic is tags of HTML, and we will also learn about some special tags of HTML. So let's start the video. So for doing so, I will simply go to my HTML folder which I have created for this tutorial series. Then I will simply right click on it and I will open it with VS Code. Okay, so as you can see that I am inside of my uh, tutorial 1.html file, which was created during the first video. Okay, so if you have not seen the video, then you can definitely check it out. I will give this video link in this I button. Okay, so for now I want to create another file here, new file here. So I am giving it name of tutorial 2.html. Okay, so as I have already told you that when we are using VS Code, we have some options like emit. So when we will type shift plus 1, it will give us an exclamatory mark, and this exclamatory mark is the emit abbreviation of our basic boilerplate of HTML. So when you will hit enter, you can see that it is giving us the basic boilerplate of HTML file. Okay, so what you can do now, you can just simply go to here and you can rename this file. So I am giving it the name of tutorial 2 for now. Okay, so basically today we will learn about tags. What are tags? Basically tags are those words which browser can read. Okay, browser can read these tags of HTML file. That here we have written this HTML, and you can see that this is marking this HTML also, which is the closing tag of this HTML. Okay, then you can see that it is head, and this head is the closing head tag of this head tag. Okay, so what is this tag? Basically as I have already told you, tags are those words which browsers can read, and after reading that, browser executes the code. Basically this is the work of an tag of HTML. So how we define a tag in HTML? So when we define any tag in HTML, we use this curly bracket first. Okay, then we write whatever tag we want. So for now I want to show you paragraph tags, let's suppose. So I will simply write p here. Then we have to close this, and as I have already installed this auto closing tag, so when I will close this tag and using this angular bracket, it will automatically generate the closing p tag. Okay, so how we close the tag? If you don't know how, if you have not installed the auto closing tag, then you can type it manually. So you have to do simply just first angular bracket, then slash, then your written first written code, written tag, then you have to close with an angular bracket. So it is the structure of a tag. Okay, so HTML has various types of tags. We will discuss about all of those tags step by step, and today we will learn about some special tags. Okay, so as you can see that we are using this p tag. What is this? Basically p tag is used for an paragraph. Okay, got it? P tag is used for paragraphs only. So Now I can write here that it is saying that I am a paragraph. Okay, so you can see that I am typed here that I am a paragraph. Okay, so now I want to click this button to go live to see how our page is looking inside of our browser. As you can see that here it is printed that I am a paragraph here. Okay, so this is the paragraph tag. Basically P is denoted by paragraph for paragraph. Okay, so now I want to say you that how many tags are there inside of our HTML. So basically HTML has two major tags. Okay, one is open tag and one is close tag. So what is open tag and what is close tag? First we have to learn about that. So basically open tag is that which have no range. Okay, which have no range. That means we don't want to define that from this portion to this portion is our paragraph, this portion to this portion is our header. We have not want to define that. So at that time we don't need to use any close tag. At that time we will use only open tag. Open tags have only opening tag. Close tag, there are no closing tag basically inside of our open tag. Okay, and inside of close tag, when we were talking about close tag have two parts. One is opening tag and one is closing tag, and inside of this opening and closing tag we have to write our own required document, whatever we want to write and whatever we want to show inside of our web page. Okay, so basically the major difference between the open tag and close tag is that open tag has no range and the close tag has range, and open tag is created using only opening tags, and uh, close tag is made using opening tag and closing tag both. Okay, so hope you guys have got it, and I want to share the PDF, a handwritten PDF note with you. So please check the description box, there I will share the Google Drive link with you. You can definitely check the handwritten code by me, handwritten notes. Okay, so now I want to move to the next topic, which is today we will learn about some special tags. And okay, so for doing so, I want to just clarify that we need to basically understand the examples of open tag and close tag. So here you can see that inside of our this head tag, you can see that this is an closing tag. This is a close tag because this has range. We are defining that from here our head is starting and here our head is ending. Okay, and you can see here is all in meta tag. Meta tag has an only the opening tag. You can't see any closing tag here. Okay, when you will write the best practices to is to terminate this using this self closing tag. These are called self closing tag, where we close the close the tag there by inside of their opening tag. Okay, these are called as known as self closing tag. So you can give this self closing tag here and here, wherever you will use those types of open tag. So there you can use the self closing tag too. Okay, so now I want to give you some examples of open tag and close tag. So hope you will use an image inside of your HTML page. So how you will use that? So when you are going to use image, you have to just type img here, and inside of VS Code we have an image for image also. So you will have to just simply hit enter. It will create your image tag, and there you have to give the source name. So for now I don't have any image inside of my this folder. So but now I want to give you an folder. I want to give you show you an image. So uh, let me allow to go inside my file folder, basically file manager. Then I want to go to pictures here, and uh, let's suppose I want to show you this. Let's suppose I want to set this. So I am just simply copy it, and then I will move to my desktop. Then I will go to my HTML folder. Then I will simply paste it here. So you can see this. So whenever I will use this, I want to use this. I have installed the, I have bring this for image here because I want to use this image. Okay, so here inside of this image tag you can see that there are written src alt. You don't need to understand this because there's attributes of image tag. We will learn about attributes in our later in this series. Okay, so for now I want to give you the what src means. Src means source, that what is source of the image, we have to give that. Okay, so for us that is untitled not png. Okay, and if you want to give any alt name, so you can simply give in this is an image. Okay, simple. Now if you run this file, you can simply see here the image is here. Okay, so here you can see that we have not used any close tag for this to insert any image. It is why, because we are just telling to our browser that this is our image and you have to put this image here. There are no range for any images or videos or gif or something like that, basically for audio file, maybe something like that. There are no range for this, so we will use close tag, sorry, open tag. We will not use close tag for so, but you, for base practices you can made it a step closing tag. That will not hamper anything. Okay, so and now I want to give you some examples of um, uh, basically uh, close tag. Okay, so no, first let me give you a quick hr tag. This is an also an open tag. Okay, this is an open tag, and if you now go to this, you can see an horizontal line. Hr tag is used to create an horizontal line. You can see this line here. Okay, so this is also an open tag because we don't need to spell the browser, that we need the range too large. So this is an open tag. Now you will see about close tag. Okay, so what are close tags? So inside of this folder we have too many close tags, like html is a close tag, head is a close tag, body is a close tag, p is a closed tag, title is a closed tag. So which, where we will use to which tag we will use to show any range, at that time we have to use a close tag, because the opening tags indicates that the this starts here and the closing tag defines that our things is ending here. Okay, so hope you guys have understood that what is tags and how much tags we have. And now move to some special tags. Okay, so for now I am going to show you simply we will use a beer tag. Beer tag is used basically for break any line or break anything, but p tag is also a breaking tag in build, because whenever you will change any paragraphs, at the time new paragraphs will begin, so it will break the lines automatically. But we are using this break tag to give some space inside of lines. Okay, so now I will give you show you the header tags, basically the heading tags, basically heading tags of html. There are 6 heading tags, you can see here also: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. This is our tags. Okay, so simply hit h1. I am going to write welcome to code explorer. Okay, so now I will just simply copy this line for now, and then I will write h2, then control v, H3, then control V, H4, then control V, H5, then control V, and H6, sorry, H6, then control V. And now when you will save your folder, you can see here. Here all of those are printed. This is for H1 tag, this is for H2 tag, this is for H3 tag, for H4, H5 and H6. Basically these 6 tags are used to give a proper size to our text or font, whatever we will say. Okay, this is used to for SEO purpose also, where that is search engine optimization. When you will do SEO, you have to use only one H1 tag inside of your web page, and there may be maximum 2 HTML H2 tags, and then you can use H3 to H6 tags as how much times you want to use. Okay, I hope you guys have understood this. These are the H1, these are the heading tags of HTML. And now I want an horizontal line here, so I am giving an HR. For now, I want to give an HR is also here. Sorry, because you can understand by this. So you can see the output here. Okay, you can see the output here. So now I will talk about basically 4 types of special HTML tags. Okay, so let's use the B tag. Control V. I will use Control V for now. You will be bored. So Pavitra Banerjee. You should promote your names also. Uh, so this is our B tag, and B tag is used to make any text or make any text bold. Okay, so you can see the output here. You can see that this has been bolded. Okay, now I want to create an del tag. So you can see the output here. You can see that we have not used any beer tag, so it is giving us the same line. So for doing that, we have to use beer tag inside of these, between these. When you will use beer tag, it will break your line. You can see it has come to another line here. Okay, it is the work of an beer tag. So basically del tag is used, you can see, to give an line in the middle of our text. Okay, which we use when we want to create any web page for e-commerce site or something like that, and we want to show any customer or any user that we have crossed this, and then we are giving you this. So at the time we can use this del tag. Okay, now we have to use a break tag here, then we will use strong tag. Okay, and then control V. Now you can see basically bold tag and strong tags, the work of those tags is basically when you will use the visualization you will get same, but there are something different between bold tag and strong tag. So we will discuss about that later, because we will use these tags too much times. So I think you will be very clear about that in our later videos. Okay, so for now I want to give you another tag. So I will simply use beer tag again to break that line, and then we will use the U tag. So you can see here it has created an underline. U tag is used to give our text an underline. Okay, so these are the basic tags of our HTML. So, and there are some unique tags also. So I think you have understood what tags are, and you have got some knowledge of some special tags and basically of heading tags also, and I have also used to show how you can use image tag and you can use paragraph tags also. Okay, so you have to now you have to go through with it, and you have to create your own text. You have to do something by your own. So use these tags and make something whatever you want. Okay, so that is for today. So, and I want to say you that we have already created an forum here. It is our devline community. You can see here, this is powered designed by MB Weber. Okay, so we will ask you to join this community, which is absolutely free for you, and here you can discuss with various programmers, and it will help you to showcase your projects, and you can upload any file through here. You can upload a whole folder here, and it will be very beneficial for you guys. So you should definitely try it out, and I will share the link of this website with you inside of our description box, so please do check it now. Okay, so my internet connection is too low right now, so it is taking too much time. So that is for today. Hope you guys have understood. You can see that these are the PDF I have already shared with you, but you can see this, and you can also upload any file, folder, whatever you want, and this will be beneficial for you also. And other developers can see your files, other developers can debug your files, they can help you, and you can also help others. Okay, and so come to devline community and create an free account here, and let's explore the world of programming with MB Webbers and Code Explorer. Okay, so hope you guys have understood. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and please leave a beautiful comment for us, which will motivate us too much. And if you have not subscribed our channel and you are a new one here, so please subscribe our channel. It will very motivating for us. So that is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and happy coding.